without cyan suppression, the image feels flat and confused. With it, the warm tones leap forward. This is how professionals create visual magnetism without the artificial look that direct saturation boosting creates. You're working with color perception rather than fighting it. This technique applies universally. Boost cool subjects by suppressing reds and backgrounds. Boost any color by suppressing its complement. It's more sophisticated than direct saturation adjustment and produces results that feel intentional rather than filtered.